Cara's Cucina. Special guest with me today, Beth Nydick, co-author of Clean Cocktails, and she's going to be sharing one of her recipes with us today. What are we making?
This is the bourbon with mapled rosemary.
Ooh.
Yeah, bourbon with mapled rosemary. So rosemary is one of those antioxidant herbs.
Yes, it is.
We love, which is actually, if you gargle with it, it's a good remedy for a sore throat.
I love it. Yes, yes.
Right, and it's got A and C. It breaks down inflammation. It's one of those all around.
Yeah, it really is a superfood, and it's lovely this time of year.
Right. And I know you know, but maybe your viewers don't know that it's when you using herbs, you really need to take the oils out.
Yes.
So one thing we do with this recipe is we take the rosemary and we smush it between our hands before we put it into the shaker to kind of get those oils ready to come out.
I like this.
Yeah.
This is fun.
And then your hands smell really good.
Yeah.
They smell
So
really
no
good.
need for perfume after you're making this.
We're gonna put that into the shaker.
Okay.
If you're drinking. My hands are clean, I
That's
promise.
fine. Yeah, no, we're friends, so
Right.
I'm not concerned.
Okay, this is great. This is one of my favorite bourbons.
Okay.
With a little bit of maple syrup.
Okay.
Again, I like to use like the sugars that are not going to spike your insulin. That
Right,
are
the more natural.
Yeah. A little bit of lemon, because it still is bourbon.
Right.
A little bit of ice. And we're going to shake it again.
Nice.
Right. Simple, really, those ingredients that you have in the house. That's one of the things that we want
they're
to
really
focus
pantry
on.
staples.
Exactly. Okay, we're going to shake it. So your hands get cold. And the thing shakes it.
And then it'll take us 5 minutes to get it out of there.
Exactly. Let's see if it works this way. There we go.
All right.
So I'm going to strain it into the coupe glass, which is my favorite.
Yes, they're so pretty.
Oh, it's so gorgeous. And I love the color, especially when you have the rosemary. Because when you drink something, you're really, not only are you tasting it, but you're tasting it with your nose.
You're smelling it. Yeah, absolutely. All right, let's give this one a shot. Salud.
Bourbon mapled rosemary.
Oh my God, that is excellent.
It's one of my favorites. You know, people who don't really like bourbon, or they say they don't
think
like
they don't,
bourbon,
yeah.
but they think they don't like it until they actually taste it. I think that lemon kind of brings down the severity of it. The rosemary on top of that.
Yeah.
And you get some maple syrup lying in there.
Very nice. Nice, perfect holiday cocktail. Absolutely. So you guys definitely want to check this out for your next holiday party. Recipe will be at caradifalco.com. You can find Beth and her book at bluebarnkitchen.com. The book is also available on Amazon, so check it out. And I forgot to mention, we are hanging out at the bar today at Pig and Prince in Montclair. So of course we want to thank Chef Mike Carino for letting us come and completely monopolize his bar this afternoon. We'll see you guys next time. Cheers.